Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video, guys. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and here's another very useful tip for you all. In this one, I'll be showing you the shooting methods, which are press volume keys to take a picture or record video, or press volume key to zoom in or out, or press the volume key to control the system volume. Okay, so when I open the camera, by default, when I press the volume button, it snaps a picture. And when I switch to video and press the volume button, it starts recording video. However, we can change it. So let's take a look at how to change it. So just go into the settings. And once you're in the settings, scroll all the way down to where it says shooting methods. And then select press volume key. And here you will see the three options. So by default, it's set to take picture or record video, like what I just shown you. But you can change it to either zoom in or zoom out. Okay, so now, when I press the volume down, as you can see, it zooms out. When I press volume up, it begins to zoom all the way in. Press volume down, it zooms back out again. And if you go back into the settings, and go back into the shooting methods, press volume keys 2, you can change it to control system volume. So now when you press the volume up, it brings up the system volume there. When you press the volume down, so basically you've got a shortcut to the system volume, and you can control all aspects of the volume from there. So yeah, guys, this was just another very helpful and useful tip for you all on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra on how to use the shooting methods to either take picture or record video, zoom in or out, or control the system volume using the volume up and down button here on the side. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. Deuces.